How to set up a warehouse. To set up a warehouse on your profile, go to the menu on the left side of your screen, and in the Master Data section, select Warehouses. Then select Add Warehouse. On the first page of the wizard, fill in the name, description, and location of your warehouse. Then click Next. On the next page, select Temperature Control. If your warehouse has sections with different temperature conditions, record them as mixed. Select the unit of measure for your warehouse capacity. If you have separate areas with racking and open floor space, please create 2 separate warehouse profiles at the same address with all the respective units of measure. In terms of capabilities, the max storage is the total capacity the site has in the selected units of measure. Available for shared use via FLOX is the total capacity you would like to list on our platform. The remaining is what is available to use now. In the service terms section, give us your guidance on the desired minimum storage requirements by a client and the duration of their contract. Is your facility located in a port? Then select Key. If not, select Off Dock. State how many loading bays your facility has and whether it has an on-site office. Provide at least one image, the more the better, showcasing your facility, and provide a brief description that advertises the site's capabilities to potential customers. On the next page, select currency and input the indicative price information, which will be visible to our matching algorithm and all prospective clients on the platform. Please note that you could still offer special items to individual clients via the negotiation functionality of the platform. Here are the guidelines and explanations for the price categories. Storage for previously selected units of measure per week. Receipt and put away, as well as picking and dispatch per full pallet. Add layer picking price only if you provide such price differentiation. State the case picking price for the first one, then separately for the subsequent cases of the same SKU. State the item picking prices the same way as for the cases above, but only if you offer inner case picking services. State the container handling or divanning price per 40-foot container. Add demurrage costs per container only if you provide such a service. Add returns costs per pallet, per case, and per item respectively, only if you offer the service. State your man-hour rate at which all auxiliary services will be charged. State any incremental surcharge percentage for exceptional requests. Do not add the % symbol. You can leave the above fields blank. However, if you do not indicate prices for core services like storage, receipt, and dispatch, your warehouse will not be found by potential clients. Please note that all pricing information is private and can only be viewed by FLOX members. Select your business hours. If Other is selected, you will need to specify the working hours for each day. You can also input the information for the number of shifts you have and the min and max headcount. Edit the cutoff time for tomorrow's dispatch specific to your facility. Define your loading time limitations, like being unavailable on Sundays. Determine the unit of measurement for general warehouse information. If racking is available, check the box and provide its dimensions and any other special capabilities and material handling equipment you have. Select a unit of measure and provide additional information on your warehouse accessibility. You must provide your expertise and preferences in working with customers in a specific sector. Select Other if the sector is not listed and clarify below. Pick all the services that are relevant to your facility. If you have your own fleet, then select and provide details. State what other fulfillment services you provide. Select all relevant certifications and accreditations, then systems and security measures offered at your facility. Then just click Submit and you're good to go. Please check the confirmation email for your warehouse listing and update the profile if the email identifies that some key information is missing and your warehouse listing is not publicly available yet. Please note that our platform runs authenticity checks and will quarantine your warehouse listing if words like test or profanities or invalid terms or numbers are used. Thank you.